Hello guys, today we are driving Maruti Suzuki XL6. So it is based on a Ertiga, but Nexa gives this car some cosmetic changes and it makes this car more premium. So here we get a full LED setup for a headlight. Here we have DRLs with the chrome treatment, which is all over the front grille to the other headlight. It is again a nice touch, looks very good. Grille on this car is very massive. Here we have a fog lamp which is also LED. On a front bumper we get a black treatment. This black treatment is all over the car. You can see the side. So talking about the side, here we get the 15 inches alloys with tire size happens to be 185/65 R15. The tire looks small in this car. As comparing to the size of this car, the tire feels little bit small, but it gets a black treatment. That's again a nice touch. So mirror gets a black treatment. Side indicators. Here we get a chrome door handle with a request sensor. You can see this chrome lining running all over the last window, third window. We get this massive roof rails, which looks good on this car. We get all chrome door handles. So talking about the rear of this car, here we get the piano black finish. Nexa written over here. We get a rear wiper. The spray comes from here. So XL6 written over here. XL6 defined as it is a 6-seater car. So we get a black treatment which gives a muscular feeling. Reflectors given over here. Here we get a rear view camera. It also gets these parking sensors. Talking about the tail light, it is not all LED, but here we get LED. This is a bulb. Spare wheel is given below the car, so you can see the spare wheel. I guess it is of the same size as the tires. Here we get the exhaust. Here we get the towing hook. So let's see the boot of this car. It also gets the request sensor. So we have adequate amount of space here. But when we fold these two seats like this, so it offers a good space while folding the last row seats. These seats can be further declined for extra comfort, like this. Here we have a small compartment to keep stuff. You can see. So here we get a toolbox and a jack to lift the car. So that's it. Okay, so let's quickly see the engine of this car. So you can see the engine of this car. Here we have a lot of space. You can see the ground from here. Engine compartment feels little empty. Here we get a insulation, but no hydraulic struts on offer. So talking about the engine of this car, it is a K15 smart hybrid engine. It is 1.5 liters. It produces 103 brake horsepower at 4000 rpm and 14 newton meters of the torque. It offers good horsepower. Let's see the interior of this car. Talking about the rear seat, it gets two pilot seats. So here we get a silver treatment, which is again a nice touch. This is to lock or unlock the door. This is to open or close the window. Here is the handle to close the door. Here we get a small pocket and place to keep a bottle. So let's close this. Here we get a handle. At middle row there is lot of comfort on offer due to two pilot seats. There is a decent leg room on offer, and under thigh support is also good. Here we get a armrest. We can adjust these seats forward or backward. Here we get some 4 AC vents. This is to control the AC. Here we get a 12 watts charging socket. Here is to keep, I don't know what is this. So here we get a light placement, and we get a massive window here. It gives a airy feeling in the cabin. Here we get a speaker. Next are written over here. So let's get into the back seat of this car. Here we have a button to get at the back seat. So there is, I'm 6 feet tall. My legs are touching to the front seat. Here we get a bottle holder or a cup holder. Here is a 12 volt charging socket. That is again a nice touch. Here we get a handle. So there is not a good space on offer on the third row. Windows are large enough, so 2 people can sit in this row, but it is not as comfortable as the second row. So here we get a headrest at both the seats and a seat belt. So let's get out from here. It is a bit of a task. Here we go. So coming out from the third row is not a task. You can easily come out from the third row. So here we get a company fitted amplifier. As you can see, it comes with two variants, Alpha and Zeta. This is a Alpha, and it also comes with the automatic and manual transmission. It's 5-speed manual and 6-speed automatic gearbox. So it gets a smart hybrid system, which gives a fuel economy around I guess 16 to 17 km per liter. So let's see the front of this car. Here we get a request sensor, and we also get a side folding mirrors. So getting into the front seat. So here we get a lever to adjust the seat. This is to move front and back. So here we get a silver lining with this graphic finish, which looks premium. but this is not a, this is a hard plastic, this is not a leather. So this is to operate the mirror, this is to close the mirror or open the mirror, this is to lock the window, lock or unlock the window, this is to unlock or unlock the car. Here we get a small pocket and place to keep a bottle, 1 liter bottle. So sitting at the front seat, door, so steering feels soft and premium to hold. Here we have cruise controls, this is to control the infotainment system. Horn is loud, nice enough. This is to pick up or reject the call. So here we get 3 pedals, accelerator, brake and clutch. So here we have engine start stop button. This is a headlight leveler. So this is a control for headlights and signal. And this is the controls for wiper. Let's spray the wiper. It offers 6 spray on windshield and cleans windshield in no time. It offers good spray. Here we have mirror with a light placement. Here also we have a mirror with a light placement. Okay, so this is a rear view mirror. It gets auto dimming inside. Here is to keep your sunglasses. This is a light. Here we get a mic. So these graphic designs and this silver lining comes all over the dashboard. You can see this, and it reaches up till here. It gives a premium feel to the car. You can see the graphics, that is nice, but we get hard plastic all over the dashboard. There is no soft plastic or a leather stitching. So here we have controls for the AC. It gets automatic climate control. So here we have 12-volt charging socket with aux and USB. Sanitizer. This is so important nowadays. So here we also get 2 vents to cool our drink or a water bottle. That is also again a nice touch. Here we get a center armrest and a small storage space. So gear lever also feels nice to hold with this silver finish. Handbrake also gets a silver finish. So talking about the glove box, it is not so big. So Nexa manual and owner's manual, XL6 written on that also. So we get 4 AC vents, and these designs look nice. SRS airbags written over there. We get 2 airbags at front. So here we get a speedometer with this small fuel meter. Here we get a engine temperature and a tachometer. Here we get a small display. You can see this green lighting. So let's browse through this display. This is the kilometer per liter average, kilometer per hour, driving time. It shows driving time. This is a total ideal stop time, total ideal fuel save, and this is a clock, I guess. No, this is a calendar. Here it shows torque and power produced by the engine. Here it shows engine, motor and battery percentage. So that's it. It comes with the 7-inch infotainment system. So here we get buttons, touch buttons. Here also we get a touch buttons. So let's browse through this screen. So here we get a media, FM, AM, DRM, USB, Bluetooth, aux, phone. This is a radio, calendar and time. Here we get a quick access hub. Here we get settings, date and time, vehicle alerts, lock, keypad while driving, scroll through steering controls and all. System information, we get software version. Here we get a audio settings also, equalizer, volume, system beep and all that. Radio settings, and this is the settings for the connectivity of the phone. Okay, so let's see the rear view camera of this car. So we does not get adaptive guidelines. Okay, so let's straight away listen to the music.
Time is a valuable thing. Watch it fly by as the pendulum swings. Watch it count down to the end of the day. The clock takes life away. It's so unreal. Didn't look out below. Watch the time go right out the window. Trying to hold on to didn't even know. Wasted it all just to watch.
So as you can see, it has 2 tweeters and 4 speakers, which gives an awesome sound experience. We can adjust the steering wheel upward and downward. So here we get adjustable seat belts. That's again a nice touch. Okay, so let's get driving. So turning off the air conditioning, putting the car into first gear, revving the motor. Steering feels very soft. Suspension is also very smooth. There is good comfort on offer. Engine gives a sporty feeling, sporty noise, as you can see. So brakes are good in this car. It comes with ABS with EBD. It has a good stopping power. And 0 to 100 takes around 10 to 12 seconds. So there is a little bit body roll, but gear shifting is very smooth. So let's get driving. Hope you guys like our video. Please let us know in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.